But we begin with the parents of Ethan Crumbley facing a judge in court today. Thank you for joining us for 7 Action News at 5. I'm Brian Abel. James and Jennifer Crumbley learning some crucial dates today. They are charged with 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter. Prosecutors say the parents gifted their son with the gun he used to kill 4 of his classmates: Tate Meir, Hannah St. Juliana, Madison Baldwin, and Justin Schilling. Ethan Crumbley appeared in court yesterday, where the case was adjourned until January 7th of next year to give attorneys more time to go through evidence. 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig live in Rochester Hills for us. And Kim, that preliminary examination is being delayed for the Crumbleys as well.
That's correct, Brian. That preliminary exam will now take place on February 8th. But James and Jennifer Crumbley will be in court before then in an attempt to get out of jail. You could hear the shackles around the hands and feet of James Crumbley and his wife Jennifer Crumbley as they walked into court today. And before the hearing began, the judge wanted to make sure it was clear and on the record that the husband and wife want to share attorneys.
You do have the right to retain your own individual counsel, and since you are co-defendants in this case, if a conflict exists and or arises, you may want to have your own independent counsel. Do you understand that, Ms. Crumbley?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that, Mr. Crumbley?
Yes, Your Honor.
Their 15-year-old son, Ethan Crumbley, is facing a long list of charges, including 4 counts of first-degree murder. And it was his father who prosecutors said purchased the 9mm Sig Sauer handgun on Black Friday. And it was Jennifer Crumbley who prosecutors say wrote on Instagram, "Mom and Son Day, testing out his new Christmas present." The same gun investigators said the couple's son would use to murder 4 students at Oxford High and injure a teacher and 6 other students. And if the couple share attorneys, that means there is no lawyer explicitly looking out for their individual interests.
Ms. Crumbley, and knowing all that, do you still want to proceed today with these attorneys?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Crumbley, do you want to still proceed today with these attorneys?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Any argument on bond?
The defense attorneys did ask for a date to review bond in hopes that the Crumbleys might be able to get released from jail before their preliminary examination. A prelim that today the prosecution and defense requested be moved to February instead of next month, considering the volume of evidence.
I have spoken on the phone with these families. We are setting up face-to-face meetings. This is unlike anything that's happened before in this county, and I am going to give them the amount of time and respect that they deserve. And we were certainly not going to arrange meetings to prepare for litigation while these children were being buried and this community is trying to heal. The whole county is trying to heal. So we need time.
And that bond hearing now set for early January. And coming up on Action News at 6 o'clock, the evidence you won't see at the preliminary examination. For now, reporting live in Rochester Hills, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.
All right, Kim, thank you. We will see you at 6.